This is our first practical for UO2. In Practical 1, we will study the operations of a gas absorption column. This is the gas absorption unit which we will use for this experiment. Other than the gas absorption column itself, notice that there are many other parts which make up this unit. We will talk about them later. Let's look at the mechanism using this diagram. We start with a gas mixture of air and carbon dioxide. Water is used for this absorption process. The aim of this operation is to remove as much carbon dioxide from the incoming gas mixture by dissolving into the water. This is possible as the carbon dioxide is soluble in the water. As the gas mixture flows up the gas absorption column and the water flows down the column, the gas phase and liquid phase come into intimate contact, allowing the water to absorb the carbon dioxide. The final gas stream leaving the column has reduced amounts of carbon dioxide, which is the main aim of this operation. The liquid stream leaving the column contains water and some CO2, which will be sent to the water treatment unit. With this, you can see how the gas-liquid mesh transfer is achieved as carbon dioxide is transferred from its initial gas phase into the liquid phase. Let's review the theory behind the operation of a gas absorption column. Gas absorption is a mass transfer process. Basically, a vapor solute A is mixed with another gas component. This mixed gas is allowed to come into contact with the liquid. As the gas and liquid phase contact, solute A is absorbed into the liquid as it is soluble. Thus, gas-liquid mass transfer is achieved as A is transferred from the gas mixture into the liquid stream. The vapor solute here, which is carbon dioxide, is absorbed by the liquid, which is water. Note that the carbon dioxide must be soluble in water for the gas absorption to occur. Now test yourself. How many components are present in the system of this experiment? The correct answer is 3. Carbon dioxide, which is the solute, is transferred from the gas stream into the liquid stream. Air, which is the bulk gas, carries the solute through the column. And water, which is the bulk liquid, absorbs the solute as it flows past the gas through the column. What are the components used in this experiment? You may choose more than one. The 3 components used in this experiment are air, carbon dioxide, and water. Carbon dioxide is called the solute and is the component of interest transferred between the gas stream into the liquid stream. Air is called the bulk gas and is generally unreactive in this system, except to carry the carbon dioxide along. Water is called the bulk liquid and, similar to the air, is unreactive in this system and simply carries the carbon dioxide out of the system. For typical gas absorption systems, the bulk gas and bulk liquids, air and water for this case, are selected to be insoluble in each other. The solute of interest must be soluble in both the bulk gas and bulk liquid streams. Which one of the following statements is correct? The answer is C. Carbon dioxide is soluble in both air and water. The initial carbon dioxide is soluble in air to form the initial gas mixture. It must also be soluble in water so that the carbon dioxide can be absorbed into the water stream. The more soluble the carbon dioxide is in the liquid, the better the gas absorption rate. This will be the equipment we will use for practical 1. We described earlier about using air, carbon dioxide and water in our experiment. Let's see where we will get these from in our experimental setup. See where the carbon dioxide and water will come from? Where do you think the air will come from? I hope you guessed right, from the atmosphere. Now how will we get the air and carbon dioxide mixture to flow up the column? And how do we get the water from the tank below to the top of the column? Other than the gas absorption column, we will need other equipment like a compressor and a pump. The compressor compresses the gas mixture so that it can flow up the column. The pump pumps the water to the top of the column so that the water can flow down the column. Note also other parts of the equipment. You will see that the gas absorption column is filled with random packings. The presence of the packings will cause the gas and liquid streams to flow in a random manner, encouraging more intimate contact between the gas and liquid phases. This will allow more opportunity for carbon dioxide to be absorbed into the liquid stream, resulting in a higher gas absorption rate. You can also see the 3 flow meters on the panel. They are of the rotor meter type and controls the flow rate of the 3 components, carbon dioxide, air and water. The manometer setup measures the pressure drops across the top and bottom of the column. The manometer on the left is filled with water and is used to measure low pressure drops, while the one on the right is filled with mercury and is used to measure higher pressure drops. In this experiment, we will set the gases of air and carbon dioxide at a fixed flow rate. We will also set the water stream to flow at a specified flow rate. Allowing the unit to attain steady-state operation, we will draw a gas sample from the top of the column, which is a gas outlet stream. We will test for the concentration of carbon dioxide in the gas outlet stream using the setup as shown here. We aim to find that the carbon dioxide at the gas outlet stream is really less than the carbon dioxide at the gas inlet. This will confirm that carbon dioxide has been absorbed by the water stream and gas absorption has been achieved. This is the setup used to determine the concentration of carbon dioxide in the gas outlet stream. Your lab tutor will explain how this will be done. Let's review the learning points for this experiment. Gas absorption involves a gas stream flowing up a column and a liquid stream flowing down the column. As the liquid flows past the gas stream, the solute, which is soluble in the liquid, is absorbed by the liquid. As such, mass of the solute is transferred from the gas stream into the liquid stream. Thank you.